Ya, ntar ente diserang ame roket Hamas dah. Ini beautiful. Hello.
Здравствуйте.
Strastro. Kazakhstan. Hello. Cakep banget. Will you marry me? Hello. You have Instagram?
Hello.
Waduh, do you have boyfriend? Aduh, cakep banget dah.
How are you today?
I'm good. How about you? Cakep-cakep nih.
Thank you.
Oh iya, what's your name? Why are you laughing?
I go to school.
What's your name? Aduh, jangan nunduk.
Huh?
What's your name?
My name is Katya.
Hah? Tarzan. Cakep namanya. Tarzan.
Какой-то другой.
Ketawa lagi dah. Tarzan. Dancing. Aduh. You beautiful.
Before what?
Beautiful, not before. Aduh, cakep nih.
Before.
Do you have Instagram? I want to get your Instagram account. Iya.
Instagram есть.
Iya.
Get to school.
Iya, do you have Instagram?
I have Instagram.
Oh iya. Write down your Instagram. I will follow your Instagram. Iya.
Сейчас.
Oh.
Мамсек.
Kenapa cakep nih? Selera gua nih. Halo. Tarzan. Iya.
Сахар.
I will follow your Instagram dah.
По-любому.
Tawa mulu lagi. Gue samperin nih. Katrin 03. Oh, Katrin.
It's me.
You, Katrin. Hah?
Я. Правильно.
Katrin 003.
Какое дитя?
Mana? Oh, ini. Oh, itu mantep tuh, bro. Is this your Instagram, Katrin ya? Is that you nih?
Yeah.
Oh, you, iya, Katrin.
Подписаться.
Cakep nih.
Край.
Katrin, I will DM you dah.
Лайк. Класс.
Shema. Wah. Iya. You are piękna.
Piękna, you too, piękna.
Thank you ya. Mantap. Cakep banget loh. How old are you? Hah?
How old are you?
Iya, You,
15.
15. Secernace. Hah?
I don't understand this.
Oh, secernace is 13. Yeah. You from Poland kan?
Rzucasz na mnie zaklęcia.
Yeah. Skąd jesteś? Hah?
Where are you from?
Iya.
Z Polski jestem.
Oh iya. Skon
Poland.
Yestem. Yestem apa sih? Gua ngerti bahasa lu. You from
Yestem.
Warsaw ya? Are you from Warsaw?
It's, repeat?
Are you from Warsaw?
No.
Oh, you from where?
Kind of.
Poznan.
Jeszcze raz. Poznań, no. Poznań, no.
Oh no, Poznan. Dance. Kali lu kenal Egi Maulana kali dah. Iya, lu cakep banget dah. Why your camera to the up, ke atas?
Up.
Iya.
Gue.
Iya, you turunin dikit ke bawah begini gitu. Nah,
No.
iya, you are kan beautiful, piękna. You are beautiful. beautiful, beautiful. You are beauty, but you're also full. Gitu. Aduh.
Oh my god.
Iya,
This is Russian vodka.
vodka.
Нет.
Waduh, Komar itu haram. That's haram, bro. Nggak boleh. Karena akan memabukkan. Mira,
Мабук.
Mabuk.
Мабук я назвал.
mabuk. Iya, nggak boleh mabuk. Dosa. Dulu aku gila padamu, dulu aku memang gila. Ya, ya, ya. Dulu aku cinta padamu, dulu aku memang cinta. Sebelum aku tahu kau dapat merusakkan jiwaku. Oh, 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 oh. Sebelum aku tahu kau dapat menghancurkan hidupku. Sekarang tak aku tak mau ku tak mau tak. Sekarang aku tak sudi tak aku tak sudi tak. Ku tak sudi tak. Yeah, gitu, like that. Is that your mother? Yeah, your mother.
Yeah, my mother.
Iya, your mother ikutan mabok.
My mother. Mother.
Your mother. Kira, iya. Hello, mom. What's your name? What's your name, mom?
Ina.
Ina. Ina.
Her name is Ina.
Oh, Ina. Iya. Lu bukannya dibenerin anak lu mabok. Ceramahin itu. Parah banget. Oh, iya. Are you from Moskwa? Yeah. You from?
No.
No.
Russia.
Yeah, you know. I know
Ты
Russia.
живешь в Москве.
Нет. В
В Москве.
России. В России.
А Москва, блядь, нихуя не
Ngomong sama orang mabok nggak jelas. Ih, cakep ini baru. Apa sih? Cakep-cakep random. Ya, ntar ente diserang kami roket Hamas dah. You will be struck by Hamas rocket. Wing, door you die. Iya. Malah tidur ente diajak ngomong. Bang. Bang, ada Hamas, Bang. Ada Hamas, Bang. Bangun, bangun. Weh, wake up. Itu. Iya, in front of your door. Bang. You from Israel, Bang?
Hello,
Iya. You are from Israel.
how are you?
Good, good.
Yeah, bro.
Oh, you're from Israel. From where? Haifa.
Tel Aviv.
Oh, Tel Aviv. Yeah, yeah. I know. Tel Aviv.
Do you like Israel?
Yes, yes. Dasar penjajah.
Oh, nice, bro.
Where are you? You in the toilet? Are you in the toilet?
Sorry?
Are you in the toilet?
Oh, not the garage.
Oh, you in the garage. Iya. Wah, tuh garasinya orang Palestina tuh. Iya, iya.
Sorry?
Nih, what is your ini apa sih?
Oh,
Tindik.
that's pretty.
Piercing. Iya, piercing. Iya. How is Israel? Is that any war?
No, not anymore.
Not anymore.
Stop war between Palestine and Israel.
Okay. Hamas stop sending rocket to your country. Yeah. Because you are
Yeah, they stopped sending rockets. Yeah.
you and Hamas sending rocket each other. Then in the sky.
Yeah, and they told each other to stop.
Because the civilian will die. Sian. It's sad story. Iya. Why your teeth is silver? Ah, waduh. Silver. You like silver deh. Lu warnain. Ayo Australia ada aja gigi dikasih silver. Why not gold?
Silver, man, silver.
You don't like gold.
Nah,
Aduh.
I'll show you.
Apa? Ente ada aja giginya. Waduh. Silver semuanya tuh ya. Mantep ente. You are the collector of silver.
Yeah,
Yes, silver necklace.
I got gold, bro. This is gold right here.
Ente ngomongnya jadi nggak jelas kayak kumur-kumur. Gigi ente sih gitu. How you brush your teeth? You have silver sih ente di sini. Gimana?
You gotta polish them.
Iya, you use Colgate. Iya, terus gini. Ente gigi di gituin di patri. It's just like the bottom of the dandang, kayak pantat dandang. You from Sydney? Yeah.
Nah, I'm from WA, bro.
Apa? WA ya? Aduh, gue gak ngerti. Gimana? Where is it? Where is it? Apa belanya? Oh, ente ngomong jadi begitu tuh. Iya. How the food nyelip di mana ini? Nyelip apa sih? Iya, the food is sleeping here. Iya, ada aja gitu dilapisin gituan. Is there any aborigin in your country? Aborigin. Iya, aborigin kan the original people of Australian land. Iya. Iya, where is aborigin? I don't see any aborigin in Ome TV. Iya, they have no connection, internet connection. Yeah. Iya, they don't understand the technology guys dah.